Think the Straw Hats are finally in Elbaf, the land of giants? Well, Chapter 1128 just dropped a massive reality check. Literally. It turns out the Big Stein Kingdom isn't a kingdom at all. It's a giant diorama. The sky? Painted. The mountains? Just blocks. Our crew has been trapped in a literal dollhouse this whole time. Enter the Sun God. And no, it's not Nika. This guy is a giant-sized cosplayer who's been keeping the Straw Hats as pets in his private terrarium. But you know Luffy, he doesn't do cages. The monster trio absolutely wrecks the place, shattering the illusion and breaking through the glass ceiling. As they escape the box, they realize they're actually in a massive room inside a giant castle. We are officially in the Elbaf arc, and the scale is even bigger than we thought. Is this Sun God a real giant, or something else entirely? Drop your theories in the comments.
Support my channel by like, share, and subscribe.